This is SAVOX. We are here, Coachella Jet Jam. I will show you the jet show here.
The Coachella Valley Radio Control Club is based near Coachella in Riverside County, California, United States. It is one of the oldest model aircraft clubs in the United States, one of the oldest nonprofit service organizations in continuous existence in the Coachella Valley, and one of the few Academy of Model Aeronautics Gold certified clubs in the country. Gold certification means that the club has met certain strict guidelines of safety requirements within the AMA rules, as well as a high degree of both safety and quality regarding the facility itself. The Coachella Valley Radio Control Club as a 501 organization works closely with the area's school districts via its Delta DART program, which teaches young children the basics of flight as well as the basis of model construction.
I'm here in Coachella Jet Jam, so we will take you to see the jet fair. Here is Coachella waiting line. So you can see here the birds. So everyone is preparing the jet here. And then wait for the flight line and fly. So you can see in the morning already so many jets wait on the line. What you can see here is all jets.
And how about yours? Send me the tail? Can we get much closer?
Here is someone to use SAVOX. And there is also someone to use SAVOX, but because for the jet you cannot see how they could build the servo there because they are hiding in their airplane. So we need to try very hard to see what servo they are using. But hopefully there are still somebody to use the SAVOX, and then they love it.